Hi, this is Consuela Dobbs, and today we're going to talk about two ways of learning Forex and Forex trading for free. Well, actually, more than that, but the two main ones I'm going to show you, you can access right away if you would like to learn the Forex market and Forex trading. If you came across this video, you probably know something about Forex and Forex trading. If not, Forex is the largest market in the world, bigger than the New York Stock Exchange, bigger than the stock markets, and it's actually trading currency. If you go to another country, you're going to have to trade or convert your home currency, which here is the US dollar, into whatever country that you're going to their currency. So for instance, if you go to Japan, you're going to have to trade your currency or convert it to the Japanese yen. But with the Forex market, you can trade just like they trade stocks on the stock market or do day trading or trade commodities for a profit. And the thing is, you have to be knowledgeable and, of course, know what you're doing. And a lot of people would like to learn it, but these days, Forex is very expensive. There's a lot of academies that are out right now. I've been a part of a couple of academies, mainly MLM type structures, but they had educational platforms that were excellent. But for some reason, one of the companies of which I was a part of shut down. I just believe that the owners were inexperienced in MLM. And of course, this is a channel dedicated to home-based business, MLM, affiliate marketing, just online marketing in general. However, Forex is a skill set that you can learn to add another income stream to your portfolio so that you can learn and know how to make money on demand. But you need to know how to manage your risk. I know plenty of people who make money in the Forex market, and they manage their risk. They don't trade or risk any more than they can risk at any particular time. But there's ways that you can learn the Forex market and how to trade for free, so you don't have to pay for any academy or any schooling. And there are plenty of other educational platforms that are very affordable also, which I will be introducing at a later time. But for now, we're going to focus on a couple, two or three that you can access for free to learn Forex. Because a lot of people are getting into a lot of programs that are saying invest in our company and we'll use your money to trade into the Forex market. And they're not doing that. They're just scamming people. And recently I did a video about I don't want to call them a company. It was some sort of organization. It was called Watermine. And they stole a lot of people's money, stating that they were trading in the Forex market, which they weren't. It was a HYIP. So if you get time, you can check that video out. I'm going to put that video in the description, the link to that video in the description, and you can check it out on your own time. But these are ways that you can learn a skill set and learn on your own how to earn daily money. Because I think that's what a lot of people want. They want to earn daily money, but what it entails is you have to take time and take the commitment to learn the skill. It's not something that's going to come very easy. You have to be committed, but once you learn it, you have it. No one can take it away from you. So the first way, the first resource that I know you can learn the Forex market is a site called Baby Pips. And as you can see, I'm already logged into this site. There's my Google logo icon, picture. I'm already logged in. You can log in with Google, Facebook, or just set up an account. For me, it's just easier to log in with Google because it's easier to remember. But as you can see at the top, of course, this says Baby Pips. And of course, they got all kinds of information on here, blogs, articles. They have calendars. I mean, this is a very neat site. Resources. They have forums. See, here's a forum on here that, and they're talking all about Forex. Anyone who wants to learn Forex, it's just a lot of articles and a lot of resources and information on here. But most importantly, what I wanted to show you is the Academy. So if you can look here at the top right, it says Forex Trading School. New to trading, learn to trade through our online course. And this is so neat. And a lot of the information that's on this site has been contained on a lot of other Forex academies, especially with MLM companies who offer Forex learning platforms. But as you can see, it has most of the basic information. This will give you a comprehensive from start to finish on how to learn Forex and Forex trading. And this is Forex School of Pipsology. Welcome, you're new to trading Forex. The School of Pipsology is our free online course that helps beginners learn how to trade Forex. And the training levels, they have different training levels. As you can see, I've started. I need to get back into this. But they have the different training levels. This is preschool. They take you from the beginning. And if you don't finish the course, you can always go back to where you left off. So, you have the preschool. This is what is Forex. And basically, you're gonna read this. I don't think it's any videos in this. You can click onto it and click each article. What is Forex? You can click onto that and it'll take you to the information. It's very easy, very simple. And it's, of course, it's very pictorial. It's not videos, but it's very pictorial, and some of it is actually quite comical. See, like there's this huge monster right here, and that's illustrating how big the Forex market is. See, it's the largest stock market in the world. The New York Stock Exchange trades about a volume of 22.4 billion each day, but the Forex currency exchange is way bigger than that. It's way bigger than that. Now, this is the Forex market compared to the New York Stock Exchange. And the Forex market trades in the trillions. And it says it up here. The foreign exchange market looks absolutely ginormous with its 6.6 trillion a day trade volume. So it's the biggest market. And also the Forex market, it trades 24 hours from Monday through Friday. Now, from my understanding, but the cryptocurrency market. So you have your physical currency. Of course, a lot of people would say U.S. money is not real, but you have your regular currency, your dollar, your yen, dinar. I think that's the Iraqi dinar. I'm not sure if that's traded on the foreign currency. But any regular currency. And then you have your cryptocurrency, which is your Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on and so forth. Your regular currency is traded Monday through Friday. Your cryptocurrency is traded on the weekend. And, this is going to teach you everything about how to trade. Now, I don't think this teaches cryptocurrency, but there's plenty of, if you learn the foreign exchange, crypto is not going to be that hard. See, you have these graphics, and then you can always go to the next lesson, or you can go back and go to another level that you're on. So this is preschool, and this is kindergarten. Imagine kindergarten level, you're learning about Forex brokers, 3 types of analysis. See, they go into detail, types of charts. So this is a good start in order to learn, the bare foundational basics of Forex. Then you have elementary, support and resistance levels. I'm sure that sounds foreign to a lot of people, but that's another thing that you can learn. Japanese candlesticks. That's the icons on the charts that show how the market, specific pair or on the market is doing. You'll learn all of those things on the in this academy. The different analysis, chart indicators, how to mark up a chart. I mean, it's different things, and it's different levels. This is the middle school level, summer school level. You go into more theory and analysis. Then here's the high school level. You're learning a little bit more. Currency crosses, market environment, trading divergences. Then here's the undergraduate level. You just learn more and more as you move through the entire course, And what you can do is just, commit to a section each month. And the important thing is you have to revisit this information. Repetition is the key to all learning. So there's more information. This is the undergraduate junior. Develop your own training plan. Which type of trader are you? It just gets you ready. How to use MetaTrader 4. And at that point, you're getting ready to actually make a trade. Risk management, which is very important. The number one cause of death for Forex traders. And I think that should be obvious. Trading more or going higher than you should, without knowing what you're doing. Positions, sizing, setting stop losses. These are the different maneuvers that you're going to make on the market. Most common trading mistakes new traders make. See, that's very important. That's at the graduation level, And then, you're done. So, you have, I don't know how many levels that would be. And then it shows your personal progress, how many lessons you completed. It's 358 lessons. Well, shoot. Do 1 or 2 lessons per day. And in a year, you'll have it. And keep revisiting, if you really want to learn this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's 11 levels of study that you can go through. So this is a very neat site. And like I said, it has a lot more. This is a calendar. Of events. They have a calendar here. I don't know how this relates to this site. It's just showing your different currencies and whatnot. Other tools. Of course, they offer tools, products, things that you can use on here. This is just a really neat site, Yeah, here's a gain and loss percentage calculator, pip value calculator. I mean, it just has all kinds of things on here. So if you want to learn Forex for free, this is one site to do that. Now, once you learn all the basics, you might want to get into a little more analysis and hear it from other people who have been trading, and hear it from actual teachers who instructors who have actually done trades, who have experience and know what they're talking about. So you can go to a channel on YouTube called Tradera Legacy. And as you can see, it's pre-written down here. And as you can see, it also says Trudera shutdown. Okay, so we're going to get into that real quick. Now, Trudera right here, was a company that offered Forex trading education, and it was also a MLM company. It had a MLM aspect to it, a money making aspect to it. Before that, they were just a learning platform. I think for like a couple of years before they went into MLM, and they were under something else. Then they evolved into a MLM company. And, it was an excellent platform, and people loved the education and training that they got from Trudera. But, I believe that the owners, they were very young and they were inexperienced in MLM. And they just, long story short, they just ended up shutting down. But what they said was, you know what, we're in this to help people, we're in this to help people. So what we're going to do is we're going to upload all of our videos from our back office, from our academy, and load it on YouTube for free. And that's what they did. And that's what this is, Tradera Legacy. So you click on the channel, and here are all of their videos. As you can see, they shut down around, I think it was October. I'm not totally sure. I think it was around October, around the same time that Epic Trading, which is another Forex Academy / work at home MLM opportunity. Excellent platform. They're an excellent platform, but I think they shut down, or it could have been a little bit after. Yeah, it was after Epic started. Tradera shut down around December in 2020. Epic started in October. That's right. And they shut down, and they said, okay, we're just going to load all our videos for free. I'm like, oh, man. So, y'all are going to do that and offer this education for free while other companies are trying to build their companies by offering Forex trading. So that's why I kind of chuckle at that. But it was a great thing because, they loaded all their videos. Here it are. And here's the baby pips mention this, the Elliott wave and the, how do you pronounce that? Fibonacci analysis. Okay. They mentioned that also. So here you have videos that are going to explain that to you. Explain all of that to you. Market environment. Yeah, baby pips mentioned all of that. Price action training. So you can go through baby pips. And also, I remember I was a part of Tradera, but I quit before they shut down because things were looking pretty shaky, and I wasn't really into the academy that much because we were working long hours at the time. But no excuse, but it just the timing. But excellent platform. People love the platform. A lot of people really didn't care much for the MLM part. They just wanted the training, and the reference to this particular training. So this set of videos that Tradera has, they start with, how do I set up MT4? That's the trading platform, the metaphor trading platform. How do I enter a trade? So you want to go all the way to the bottom and start from there. How do I navigate the charts? How do I set pending orders? How do I exit a trade? This is most of the stuff from how to set up a trade on that Baby Pips mentions, as you saw earlier. Let me see if I can find that. But yeah, there you are. Fibonacci, support and resistance levels, all of that. And there's the Elliott wave theory. And this is mentioning all of those things. How do I use trading? How do I use TradingView? Hold on, I slipped on that. How do I use TradingView, trend identification training? I mean, it goes through all of the technical, strategic part of Forex training. So if you want to learn that, I mean, it's all here. And as you can see, people are referring back to this day trading strategy training, commodity analysis, slice and dice. I mean, it's just a wealth of information here. I forgot how many videos they got loaded here. Over 112 videos. So that's what they did. They said, okay, we're going to shut down, but we want to leave, I guess, a legacy for the Forex education and Forex community and help people by posting our videos for free, which to me is a great thing. Have over 240,000 views on this site. So this is a great thing. This is another way you can learn Forex for free on your own time. So once you go through the basics with baby pips and start at the top, then you can come over to Trudera Legacy and get into the real strategic, analytical part of trading. And this is just something you can do on your own time, so you won't have to spend money on a trading academy. You can take your time. So that way, once you get with a trading academy, you can you'll have the basic knowledge on how to trade, and you'll be steps ahead of a lot of people, and you can go ahead and start training. And with a demo account, they show you how to do that, and I mean, you're off to the races. Then, of course, Google is always an excellent source of information. Then you have YouTube, as you can see. I was on YouTube. That's where the Tradera Legacy videos are. There's a site called Forex.com. You can read into these. And there's, you can find all kinds of blogs. What is Forex Trading? Guide to Foreign Exchanges. And then, this posts a lot of YouTube videos. Forex Trading for Beginners. Investment Basics. Forex. There's another video for Forex Trading for Beginners. So it's a wealth of information out there, but, these two, Baby Pips and Trudera Legacy, is more than enough to get you started and get you on your way to learning Forex for free and getting a wealth of knowledge, a base foundational knowledge on how to trade in the Forex market. I am definitely going to start back my training and my education, but I'm looking at another source where I know of someone who, well, she's a lady. She's trading on a daily basis, and she's very experienced, and she started her own academy, how she teaches the Forex market and from start to finish, how you start and how you get to the point where you're trading and doing your own analysis or taking signals from other people where you're just copying and pasting or using an app. And she's very no nonsense, knows what she's talking about, and I think I'm going to enter into her academy and just learn Forex, a little bit quicker and a little bit faster. But these are ways for anyone who, wants to do it for free. These are great ways to, get started. And that's all. Thanks for watching.